Above the hills of Galloway, where the heather meets the sky, the waters hold their secrets as the quiet years drift by. Stone and shadow whisper tales of kingdoms long ago. Loch Ken lies in stillness, where the winds of memory blow. Sing, oh, Loch Ken, your waters deep and true. Hills rise around you, crowned in morning dew. Echoes of the ancients drift upon your shore. Galloway remembers forever and evermore. From cairns upon bridges to castles standing near, the voices of the past remain, if only we will hear. Reflections on your surface mirror sky and land, a timeless song of beauty